mauna kayo?
Magaling si Grace dyan eh.
Hi, Nang. Hello.
Ano ba? English or Norwegian?
Okay. Okay.
Dapat sasabihin ko ano category.
Category is baby shower.
Okay. It's all about baby shower.
Okay.
It's all about baby shower.
It's all about baby shower.
Okay.
What group are you, ate?
2 words.
2 words.
First word.
First word.
Uy, bakit gagaling pa ha?
Diaper. Second word.
Diaper cake. Diaper bag. Ate Blessy. Ate Blessy. Ate Blessy, ano yung ano? Anong grupo ka? 2? 2 din ako.
Isa na gani, ganon.
Pag 2 words pala, badan. Watermelon, 2 words pala.
Watermelon.
1 word. One first word.
Water. Ayo, ano na? Action. Ako na.
Welcome to our family and a baby shower of our cousin.
Ay.
Start na ba?
Wash.
Start the whole time.
Hands.
1 minute lang.
Di, ikaw mo answer. Ikaw mo answer.
Ikaw man ang kagrupo.
Kayo mo muna lang.
Kayo ang manghula sa ano ni Kuya Dong.
Others! Ano ba yan pa? Word.
Wash. Ano yan sa akin?
Pwede mo i-describe pero huwag mo sabihin yung word.
Free. Point. Point.
You have to help.
Point.
Ilang minutes na lang?
Gracia, ikaw number 1 din ka din. Kiki.
Party na.
Ay. Ayos ba? Wala. Tapos na. Ayos ba yung refrigerator? Nagbugay mo. Ayos. Tapos may isa pa kasi. Yung bag. Ayos ba? Isa mo na. Ayos. Tapos yung... Sabi mo na 2 words na. First word kasi ayos.
First word.
First word. Ganon. Para alam nila kung
watermelon sample. Then I will start 1 word first.
Okay, discuss.
Next.
1 minute.
Okay, it's Omar time.
Expecting it? You couldn't show it to me.
Okay, start.
Describe Omar. Okay, go. Start Omar.
1 word.
Stomach.
Baby.
Don't answer. Baby.
Baby. 2 words?
1 word.
1 word?
Smoke.
Baby. Baby? Magsimula.
Pacifier.
Baby. Baby ba? 9.
What? 1 word, only 1 word?
1 word lang siya?
Vong.
Sige pa, mag-action ka na.
Truly.
Okay. 45 seconds.
Baby.
Baby cradle? Ano ba? Cradle? May ano ba?
Baby rock. Nice. Ano sa man?
Yeah, pag 1 word lang. Nagpunta ko na sinunod. Ang tayo.
Action ka.
5, 4,
Tuya? Tuyan? Ano, kuya?
wala din.
Yes, kuya dong. Oh. You can guess. Ha?
Bibiron?
Wala.
Ano?
Wala na.
Baby stop.
Ay,
Bibs. Bibs. Usa. Ano? Ang bibs. Ano ba yung bibs? Bibs, ano? Bibs. Ang bibs. Tutulong ka na. Unta, kasama ka rin umumwar. Tama. Babes. Sige Manang. Go Manang. Manang.
Square.
Very good Manang.
good, yes.
Under self.
Wash. Ano yan?
Sa'yo. Diba si Apple mangog ka? Oh, Apple ka.
Apple ko dito mo.
Diyan na ka. Diyan na. Ate, pabigay ng skate isa. Yung ka.
Grass?
Anos, you know that? Leslie, kawaw ka?
We know.
Ha?
We see. White, sweet one.
Ah! Wait, wives. Both servets. Both servets. Midwives. With wives. Okay. Play score man. Kendra's night drag it.
Don't answer. Don't answer that one. Don't answer the answer.
Nam.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay na? Yeah.
3 words. 1 word. First word. Baby.
Second word.
Second word.
Baby shower!
Baby shampoo.
Baby bath.
Baby bathtub!
Baby bath.
Ang galing. Go Manong Chel.
Go Manong Shell.
Don't show the paper! The answer will comes out!
Don't read it loud.
Don't read loud Manong.
Cover.
I'm not sure what it is.
Don't read loud.
Please, pump.
What? Okay, add or. Son. Pumpa.
Ano?
Please, pump.
Na breeze.
Breast. It looks like pee. Oh yeah.
Breeze. Kendra? Dai?
No.
Oh yeah. Was.
How many words? No.
What can I say? It looks a little bit like that. Sitting in the butt.
Sitting in the butt.
Baby car?
Yeah.
Baby stall?
Yeah, something like that. Nine. Then you can sit the baby like this. What is that? You need to start to walk.
Bisaya ko yun.
Baby walker.
Bong cook. Baby bag. Car.
Time. It's time now.
Still?
Car seat.
No,
Car seat mo.
still.
Car seat. Car seat.
Uy! Sabi ni Leslie, car seat.
Ay,
Oh.
ay, sinabi na niya. Sinabi niya.
Something like that. Karsit mano? Leslie sa ate is na?
Just try. Yes, just try. Yeah.
Oo, okay na te Bless, okay ra. Suprile. Namri gulit ra mo muna.
Okay? Yes. Okay. Timer.
Okay.
One word.
Walk?
Walker.
Mother of two. Very quick. Mother of two. Expert. Okay, it's the father of the... Gunners.
First word.
Spisa. Mins. Dricka.
Drikaban.
Spisa. Dricka flaska. Dricka.
Engels? Ah, kuan ka lang. Drinking bottles.
Drink bottles.
Water bottle. Water.
Unsa biberon ni English biberon?
Flaska. Water flaska.
Bad plastic.
Thermos flaska. Baby flaska.
Ingas.
Baby bottle. Baby bottle.
Drinking.
Baby bottle le.
Tot flaska.
De go bra honors ya. Dabas kili university to ya. Ah. Oh, sige. Group 2. To still.
Tot flaska.
What's that?
Tot flaska.
Feeding.
Feeding bottles. Ah. To the plastic. There de. Oh, muna. Oh.
That's why I say feeding them too.
Yeah. Pizza?
Ikaw na ano? Wala ka pa, di ba?
Sino pa?
Ikaw na, Liz. Ikaw na. Adiyo, dito pa. Dito pa rin.
Wala mo lang drinks. Wala.
Last si Liz na yung saswan.
Kansawan mo lang.
Last. Nagbablog ako eh. Nagre-record ako. Okay, Omar, go.
Two word. One word. Baby. Baby soap by Big Bang. Baby, ano yun? Baby sponge? Baby lotion! Baby, ano yun? Baby soap.
Like,
First word. And then second word.
bantay bitaw. Baka yung mahirap sa madali sa'yo, mahirap.
Pajama? Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung ganun? I-describe mo daw.
Yung first word, baby. Second word, what is the second word?
Second word. Describe it. Describe it. Hindi mo rin alam. Baby shampoo. Baby shampoo. 6. 4. Baby
Dagang mag-baby.
Baby oil. Baby oil. Naabot? Ako naabot na ito.
Sige.
Sabi niya.
Ate.
Lagi uwi man.
Baby shower.
Sa'yo na kayo. Okay.
Sige.
1.
Diyan.
Bravo, Kuya Dong. Ikaw na, te. Ikaw, ate, super la.
2-4 ang score.
4 sila?
4-2.
Ako.
Yata kami.
Ay,
3
3.
na, 3-4.
3-4.
Okay.
Ano daw, ate?
Paano mo?
Nine.
Habol.
Yes. English. English. English.
Cover.
English. Yeah, English.
Comforter. Other.
More.
Habol pa.
Sabuka.
Blanket. Okay. So,
Tepet.
Sila Liz.
Ano yung first word na yan?
Kun.
One word.
Ah.
First word.
Breastfeeding. Breastfeed. Oh.
eating. How many words?
Baby.
How many words?
Dapat sila buko ng words.
One word.
First word.
Breast.
Tama yung
Second word.
Second word.
Breastfeeding, breast, breast sleeping, breast, for baby or for the mother?
Baby.
Seven. Six. Four. Three.
Breast,
One.
pump.
Party.
Party.
Breast pump. Breast pump.
Breastfeed.
Breast pads.
Bad.
Ana unta to kuya. Dung. Ana.
Ano ba? Breast.
Oh, at like.
Breast pads, you know.
Yeah.
Ganun pala yun.
Start.
Alam, patay ako pag gini.
Ala, manulis na naman. Listen na wa. Nahugra ba na?
One word. Father. One word.
Second.
Second word.
Pwede bang ano?
Sit.
Mahirap eh.
Sit ta.
Ano ba to? Ano?
Listen na wa
Wala
ba?
pa si ate.
Patanawa ba
Hindi
siya?
mo pwede magturok?
Hindi. Let's bantay sa gilid baka mag
Pero daw naman ta. Tayo.
Yung pang nasa.
Tol. Tol.
Hi.
Hi.
Ah, alam ko na.
Time na? Wala pa?
Pwede.
Sit sila. Oh, sige ka na.
Hi,
Ah,
sir.
oh.
Yo, hi, Shir.
Oh, tiebreaker. Tie sila no? Sa 4-5 pala sila.
Five tayo, five. Four. Panag, Teresa. Sikat mo.
Unsa lang? Pila ba? Kayo niya.
4, 5 tayo.
Wala. Ay, ko pa ni.
Onay, onay, onay!
Pila gani mo.
Tiebreaker. How many words?
Kendra. Malindad.
Wow! Ano yan?
Gusto mo na?
Mahal.
Karang? English? What's in English? In karang?
Kasi kara. Sana, Walker. Walker. Uy, Kendra. Chumpa la.
Walker? Share. Walker? Karang nga sa ano yun?
Gusto mo na?
Sa English, ano yung sa
Gusto
English?
mo na? Gusto mo na?
Karang nga, karang. Lakad ka ba?
Gusto mo na? Uy.
Lakad ba?
Oh, one word na lang?
One more siya?
Isang to to, English lang.
Sa Kara nga. Kara.
Stroller.
Ay. Wala tayo kasi mo kasi.
Sa buka ni Manang. Ano na ka na? Ano na ka? Lakaw. Sama. Napaganda yun eh. Marag niya si Kuan kay Ngulik. Dai! Tawad ko na kay mahag na ba?
Okay. There's one last that we could
Kasi tayo manong.
guess.
I'm not
It will be
participating now.
5 points. So the team that could guess is the
Sarah will ano perform.
Nanay, last ko last. So, the one you
Oh,
can
we the
guess.
team will guess.
Yeah.
And then we
Paano yung namin? Mamuna muna sino?
Who's the fastest
you will
one?
act. And then